Right now our module doesn't have any interface, so there's no way to watch what happens to this variable on every page load, at least not through Drupal itself. So we need to look at the database to make sure that this is working. So I'm going to go over to my database browser. I'm using a program called SQL Pro, which is a Mac-only program, but you can use applications like phpMyadmin or Navicat. Over here on the left side, we have a list of the tables. And on the right side, we'll either show the content of that table or the structure of it. So what we're going to do is load up the variable table. I'm using this search to narrow down the number of tables that display. I'm going to click that, and we have our list of variables here. Now, if we want to take a look at our Trails history variable, here it is. And I can double click this to take a look. Because I've had this script running for a while, it shows a number of different items. And what we're looking at here is a serialized version of an array. Even though it's a little odd looking, you can still get an idea of what's going on. So we see a title here, and then the name of our site. We have the path, and then the path here, and the timestamp here. And as we follow down this list, we'll see that same structure repeated over and over. So if we wanted to watch this change, we could clear this out and go ahead and save it. Now that variable is empty. We could also do this by setting variable set in our script to nothing in order to clear it out. And then let's go ahead and load a couple pages. Okay, now let's refresh this. Now if we take a look at this variable, we'll see the last two pages that we just navigated to added to the variable. Let's go ahead and move on to the next step. I'm going to go ahead and clear out our debug session.